Hello, my creative thinkers. So, new vlog day. As you can see, I have the curlies going on, all kind of stuff. The hat is off, so that's an improvement. I think I said in a previous video that I hurt myself. I got into a little accident. So my shoulder was jacked up and I had to wear a hat for like a while because I couldn't do my hair. But feeling better, doing better. And I have an industry party to go to today. So I'm gonna take you along with me to an industry party and also work today. I have a lot of work to do. So I'm gonna take you along on my day. Today is senior day. So you're gonna see, I'm gonna show you what senior day is. And what that is I have a day that I book just for seniors. I put that into my work day. So Thursdays is just senior day. So I'm gonna take you along and show you what that looks like. But before I do, I have to take out these curlers and do something with my hair, okay? Oh, that's my phone. But I'm gonna do my hair now. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the best I could do with the curliest mop in town. Oh my goodness, let me see. Let me look in the view for a second. Oh God, it's so curly, this is crazy. My hair is like this brown, curly little boppy mop thing. Okay, anywho, let's go to work, people. All the hair, and it needs to be completed in the back.
Oh, okay.
So that's what happened. It needs to be curled.
Where's the hole?
And she's saying it's ugly in Spanish. I guess fair.
You know what?
We gotta fix it.
Mine's is still bald.
It's like my hair.
Mine's is bald.
Somebody cut him mine, longer right here and flat right here.
We gotta fix it. We gotta fix it.
Beautiful.
We gonna fix your hair. Don't worry about it.
Sí, okay. Teresa no viene el lunes ni el martes. Está bien.
Doctors, doctor.
Oíste.
Doctor.
Coge la llave ahí, llave.
I bought this from home because I didn't want to keep bothering you. I said, oh, I have white. Let me bring it to her.
I need to bring a couple of them. I think there's one floating around, but I need to bring a couple.
Señora Damela.
¿Qué tú quieres?
Acá arriba. Se puede.
Anybody up here going to Albany tomorrow?
Yes, me. Yes, we're going to Albany. Why?
I just asked.
You want me to say something?
You going
You want me to ask for more money?
here?
7:30.
So I'm at the Patreon event, but unfortunately I am early, guys. I am really early. I came back from work and I was trying to kill time, but seriously, like I bought these bomb shoes that I'm gonna show you guys probably in another video. But yeah, so nothing started yet. But I am just gonna chill out for a little bit and then wait till they set up, and then I will show you the Patreon event today. Okay, so the event just started. I've had one drink, so don't talk about me, okay? I've had one drink. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I'm looking forward to see what Patreon has in store for its creators. I'm really interested in that. So yeah, I think it's pretty good. Say hi.
How's it going?
And what is your name?
Sorry, Felix.
Okay, Felix. So are you having a good time, Felix?
Yeah. Thank you.
Awesome.
Enjoying the free food for now.
Yes, enjoying your free food. You got a drink. Did you get a drink, Felix?
I did.
Okay.
There's no big water for now.
Oh no, everybody. Felix is getting boring. He's saying water, guys. He did not get a beer. Okay, so what are we gonna do here? I don't know. So I'm back. Back from the Patreon event. As you can see, this is me, Patreon. I'd like to thank Patreon for inviting me to your tour. I thought it was very informative and I got a lot out of it. And thank you for this little gift packet Patreon gave us. Let me show you what this is. So they gave us a little journal. You see it says Patreon on it. Cute little sticker. I will be using this. I will actually use this journal in order to track my performance on Patreon because I think it's really cool. And they gave us a nice little pin from Muji. Nice little Muji pin. I like this pin. I'm gonna use it to bullet journal. And then I got some cute little gummies from Peerspace. So that's really nice of them. Once again, thank you Patreon for allowing me to come to your event. I thought it was really informative, really great. Thank you Peerspace for allowing me in your space. A lot of great and wonderful creators were at this event tonight, and I look forward to seeing more of their work and working with them again. If you're not following me on Patreon, I will put the link down below and I will show Patreon here. Patreon, I really love the tiers that I'm personally giving out to my subscribers. So look into them. If you're interested in it, please join and take advantage of some of the great things that are coming out from my company with Patreon. So I love this partnership that I have with Patreon, and I love being part of their community, and I look forward to working with them some more. So if you're not following me there, you can follow me there and get some exclusive tutorials and stuff that I offer from Patreon. If you're not following me on YouTube, please subscribe down here. And thank you for watching today, my creative thinkers. And I'm gonna close out this vlog. Thank you so much and have a good night. Bye, creative thinkers.